Hi everyone, we're going to take a look at our third section of calculations that are relating to nozzles specifically. Alright, so what we've taken a look at so far is in step 1 we worked out whether or not a nozzle was safe to be using if it fell within the 10% range. In step 2 we worked out average nozzle flow rates, and now in step 3 we're going to determine what our total nozzle output is if we consider our boom spray rig, how many nozzles we've got and what our average flow rate is, and how we can use this information to determine whether or not, or to determine what our output is. Alright, in your modules on page 11 you've got this example here, and it speaks about it says I have, okay, hang on, there we go, this section over here. Alright, we're all over there together. You've got a spray rig with 9 on it. Now in the previous section we already calculated what our average flow rate is. Alright, we worked out there that our average flow rate was 1.6 liters per minute. Now that we know that, we can multiply that average with our 9 nozzles. Alright, so for every minute that the boom spray rig is running, each of these 9 nozzles is letting out 1.6 liters of prepared pesticide solution. Alright, so we need to work out if for 1 minute all 9 of them are flowing, how much is that total amount that we're putting down in that 1 minute. And in this example we'd say 1.6 liters times those 9 nozzles is going to give you 14.4 liters per minute. Alright, so what does this tell us? This tells us that for every minute that this spray rig is running, we are putting down this volume of pest control products or prepared pesticide solution. Alright, so these are the 3 calculations that you need to be familiar with in order to continue with the calibration process. If you're not sure how to determine if your nozzles are good to be using, go back to step 1, to the first video. If you're not sure how to calculate the average, go back to step 2 and recap that. In this one, we've just taken a look at how to work out what your total nozzle output is, which is step 3, and hopefully you all understand very clearly that all we've had to do was take our average flow rate multiplied with the amount of nozzles on the spray rig to give us a total amount of output based on how long the rig's been running for. Alright, in this particular example it was 1 minute, so everything was based on 1 minute. So we know that for every 1 minute that the spray rig is running, we are putting down 14.4 liters of prepared pesticide solution.